Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Ahmad Taufik. I am from Bogor, and I will explain here English lecture about material hospital admission. Okay, the first admission is permission given to a person to enter a place or permission given to a country to enter an organization. Admission is also the act of entering a place. One example of admission is a hospital. Hospital admission is a series of patient admission process to obtain inpatient unit service that are tailored to the patient's need at the inpatient reference area. The purpose of admission service include increasing the promotion of information to patients and their families, creating an orderly administration, providing medical record file, and patient data. With the admission process, it's expected that patients and their families will get an explanation of general concern, right, and obligation, and patient privacy, cost, and other things needed by patient during hospitalization. The duties of admission include head of admission. First, manage the implementation of admission. And second, planning the needs of facilities and human resources at admission. Third, carry out an evaluation of the implementation of admission. Fourth, coordinate with related parties. And fifth, report the implementation of admission to the director. Okay. Implementation admission carry out registration of inpatient, both regular and regular admission, which is by agreement. And then delivering the coordination of the hospital. Give general consent to the patient of family. Convey cost estimation, issue admission slip, complete the admission slip with medical record, manage administration including verification and validation of completeness files. Patient goes home, inform remind, patient control schedule, coordinate which the treatment room realized or related to patient who will be hospitalized and who will return, and updating information related to medical and non-medical equipment facilities at hospital. And the last, make a shift change report. However, there are some mandatory things that must be done by the admission offer. Namely, the admission offer is 1 or 5th or first, explain the right of patient and families while in hospital. Second, explain the obligation of the patient and family while in hospital. Third, explain the details of the cost of lodging and what facilities and service obtained during hospital stay. Fourth, explaining the result of the doctor's examination and diagnosis while the patient it needs to be hospitalized. Fifth, explain the procedure to be given to the patient, including possible side effect and complication. 6. Take care of everything needed by the patient so that the patient's family does not have to Validated again to go back and forth for very simple reasons, one of which photocopying. And last, asking for approval for hospitalization from the family, asking for approval for hospitalization from the family. The following is an example of an admission and patient conversation. Admission. Good morning. Can I help you? Patient. I want to check. I get headache often. Admission. Apart from headaches, what else do you feel? Patient. That's all I feel. Admission. Okay. In whose name is this? Patient. Nida. Or patient Nida. Admission. Okay. Do you have a health insurance card? Patient. Yes, I will check it out in a bit. Patient also. This is the card. Admission. Okay, I will fill out the form with your ID. Patient. Okay. Admission. I have registered your name. You got key number 10. Okay. Patient. Okay, sir. Admission. While waiting in line, let's do a blood pressure check and check your weight. Patient. Okay. Next, admission. Okay. I started to check blood pressure. Well, the result is your blood pressure is quite high. Yes, 140, 140, 70. Next, we check your weight. For weight, 60 kilogram. Okay, and patient answered, no wonder I had a headache. It turned off. It turned out that my blood pressure is high. Admission, you should get more rest because the night is complete. You should just wait for the call quit. Patient, okay. Thank you very much, sir. Admission, you're welcome. Never mind. Okay, guys. Maybe that's enough for me for explanation from zero until now. Sorry. And I last say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.